Here's the Lego Technic Jeep Wrangler Rubicon set, and this is really cool, mainly because it's got a sick winch on the front of it. This is a lot of fun to play with, and then you can wind it back up using the gear on the front of it. I do kind of wish it had a crank. I think that would make the winch even better. What's great about this set is it really had the bare minimum of stickers on it, like the front is all printed. It does have this hood that opens up, shows the little V6, which would be cool if they had put the pistons in it, but they really designed this set to have the great suspension like a Jeep. So great job with the suspension. You can also steer the set with this gear on the top of it. The newer Ford Bronco, they put the steering column on the back of it where the spare tire is. That would have definitely been a nice touch to this, but there's just a lot of great play with this. Like, you can actually fold the back seat down if you want to make it into more of a flatbed truck. And I just think the yellow color on this gives you that classic Jeep appearance. The bottom of it also does have quite a few colored pieces that maybe could have been a little bit less colorful to make the Jeep look a little bit better. And you can really see all the blue pins on the side of it. It would have been neat if they could have come up with a way around this. But overall, this is a really fun Technic set with a lot of play value. Love the doors that open, love the seats on it, love the steering, the suspension. A lot of fun with this set. It's really hard to go wrong with the Jeep Rubicon.